Anthony, don't touch it. The problem wasn't that Anthony was bad. The thing was that Anthony's mind never slept. It was a hot Saturday afternoon, the kind where even the lizards gave up trying to find shade. Anthony's mother was inside ironing. Granny was asleep with the fan blowing straight in her face, and the yard, normally full of noise, was very quiet. Anthony kicked a stone. "Nothing a gwan," he muttered. "I'm bored bad." That's when he noticed it. The gray switch box on the side of the house. Anthony had passed it plenty times, but today it stood out. Paint chipped, screws rusty, and written on it in faded marker, "Do not touch." It's like it was calling his name. Anthony kissed his teeth. "Them always write that," he said to himself, but nobody ever explained why. He glanced toward the house. The fan was still spinning, the iron still a hiss, Granny still a snore like thunder. "Me just a go take a look," he whispered. "Me nah go touch it." He lifted the box. Inside was one thick switch, simple, heavy-looking. Anthony paused. His mother's voice echoed in his head. "Anthony, leave things when them tell you to leave." But boredom had already woken his mind, and once Anthony's mind was made up, it started asking questions. "I wonder where it do. Why this important? I wonder what would have happened if..." Click! The house went dead. The fan stopped mid-spin. The iron cut off. The TV blinked black. From inside came a sharp voice. "Anthony! Why the fan stop?" Anthony's heart dropped. Maybe a GPS," he said. Then the fridge made a soft, dying sound. Granny woke up instantly. "Who lock off the current?" Anthony didn't even try to run. His mother stepped outside, iron still in hand. She looked at the switchbox, then at Anthony, then back at the switchbox. "Anthony!" Just his name. That was enough. "Come here, little boy." Anthony shuffled over. "You see this?" she said, tapping the box. "This run the whole house. Fan, fridge, iron, everything." Granny added, "And if the food spoil, you know who I buy back grocery." Anthony swallowed. "I never know," he said quietly. His mother nodded. "That's why it say you know fi touch it. Curiosity good, but not every curiosity need action." She guided his hand. "Turn your hand back." Click! The fan spun again. The fridge hummed. The TV burst back on. Granny kissed her teeth. "Pickney, you nearly give me a heart attack." Later that evening, Anthony sat on the step, shelling peas, his fingers moving fast. "Granny," he said, "so tell me something. Is curiosity a bad thing?" Granny laughed. "Who tell you that?" She leaned over. "Boredom wake up the mind. Curiosity push it forward. But wisdom tell it where to stop." Anthony thought about the switch and how fast his mind worked, how he noticed things, how he wanted to understand how things functioned. His mother came and sat beside him and said, "The next time you're bored, Anthony, come help me fix something. Ask as many questions and learn." Anthony nodded. He looked back at the switch. The words were still there. "Do not touch." This time, he understood that some things were meant for your safety, not for just keeping him away. From that day on, whenever Anthony felt bored, he didn't shut down his curiosity. He just learned where to use it and how to channel it.